Today my topic is my pet. I have a pet dog. His name is Rahul. He is beautiful. He has soft fur. He loves to play with me. I like my dog very much. He eats curd, rice, chicken and etc. He drinks water, coffee or milk in his bowl. He likes to drink coffee. His favorite food is chicken, but he eats also curd, rice, etc. Sleep in floor. He is my best friend. He is my best friend. He is my best dog in the world. Thank you. I love my dog very much.